Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Nissan X-Trail TL, stock reference number 5549. The shape runs from the 7th month 2008 through to the 12th month 2013. It has an M9R 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. M9R 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light. Left front factory 18-inch alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror, camera type. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate has no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door has a light fold on the front edge. Right guard has no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, sat nav head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.